first time I saw you, I knew all the time it was something in the air that night, and in the way you looked at me. I get nervous when you get close and my heart fills up with butterflies, and then you leave me speechless. My world turned upside down. Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got, the one I've got. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Wanna tell you how I feel instead of keeping it all inside. So hard with you, I don't know why. Believe me, boy, I've tried. When you're near me, my heart fills up with butterflies, and then you leave me speechless. My world turned upside down. Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got, the one I've got. Don't break my heart. 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 Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart. Don't break my heart. Remember, it's the only one I've got, the one I've got.
Only stop running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You showed me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice.
Hello everyone, thanks so much for sticking to the end of the video. I just have a couple comments on the focusing and how the adapter with the EF lens going. I think overall is good. The EF lens, I don't feel like it's a EF lens on the adapter. It's performing at the same performance as the RF lens, so that's one thing that did pretty well. Like the focusing is keeping track of this, even though it is a EF lens for the R6. So one of the things I noticed is that, for example, in this case, I want to have the focus point on the right eye instead. but the focus point right now is tracking on the left eye. I wish there's a toggle to toggle between the left and right eye. So that's one of the improvement I wanted to have. Other than that, it's pretty good sticking on the eyes. So that's the one thing that I noticed. So I think Nikon has one that's reaching between the left and right eyes. So hopefully on the firmware update I will have some improvement on that one. Other than that, the full body is pretty good. Also, you can see that even on the full body far away, it's still tracking the boxes on the eyes, just like that. So it is pretty good, like keeping on the pace of the Sony. So the R6 is one of the best the eye tracking so far, and up against the Sony pretty good right now. So if you want a good IAF, this is a good one to have. So that's just the situation so far. So far the Sony and Canon is on top, and then Fuji and Nikon still need some improvement on the IAF. So for Fuji, I'm just shooting the AFS right now so that it is more reliable. And even though the IAF is still tracking the eye, the box is still sometimes a little bit jumpy. So that's my thought on that. Just a quick thought on the boxes. So one of the improvement is I wish there's a toggle between the left and right eyes, so that I have more control. So other than that, that's my quick thoughts on the focusing. And thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.